Continuation of the 12 norms of school culture where the people and programs improve. Tradition. A school must have an intention, culture-based program or shared values, beliefs, and behaviors. Traditions is practices that improves the school and preserve what's in the school. For example, PE cognition, intramurals, between it is fosters collaboration between students and the teachers. Kumbaga diri sa tradition is murag atong na gani siya na-adapt kay kita ani as an students and individual kanang nag-eskwela di sa city murag ang tradition gani nga gikuan is ato na lang silang gikuan sa tong tagsa-tagsa ka mga kaugalingon para lang ma-expound pag gani through in the future through next generation. So next is honest and open communication. The atmosphere is such that everyone is encouraged to speak his mind without fear of being ostracized. Sa honest and open communication is diri gana ipaibaw gani nga you are free to say what you wanted to without feeling of fear and being criticized. Kumbaga kanang sa honest and communication is murag kanang you're free sa kanang diri sa kanang atuang eskwelahan or bisan asa nga wa kay gikadlukan or proud kay ka nga mosulti nga kuan basta sa words pa lang kay nga honest and open communication is dira is murag nagat ay makita nga usa ka tawo nga murag hadlok kay encourage lang po nato ato lang sa tabangan para gay nga di na siya mahadlok or matubang di na siya mahadlok matubang ba or it criticize nana or what else. And next is what is school culture? So di ba sa school culture based on the introduction is na hisgot na Denver is the character that gives the school qualities beyond its structure, resources, and practices. According to Spacey, school culture consists of the norms and shared experiences that evolve over school's history. Scott and Marzano 2014 state that school culture is reinforced by norms, expectations, and traditions. So, basically, sa school culture is the characteristics of school because it represents what the school is. Di ba sa eskwelahan, culture nato is kanang mag-flag, daghan matag culture nga gikuan, kanang mag-uniform. Muna, murag kultura na lang diri sa sitiyo nga atong kuan sign of respect for our school. Murag mao yung gikuan ba nga pasabot sa kanang kuan nga atong respeton ng eskwelahan. And next is culture as a social construct. It is a social construct, not a genetic construct. It is created by all the people in the school. So from the words, it is a social construct. It's just by creating a time to time, and genetic is by the time and the modern era. Kumbaga sa karon nga era mao na genetic pero ang karon culture as a social construct is wala siya nag-base sa ingon nga genetic from time to karon nga modern era. Ang ilang gikuan din sa culture as social construct is ang time to time. Kumbaga ang karon is murag ganahan pag silang i-improve on next na sad mo ilang i-adapt nya. Gipasabot sa dire is ang di ba kabantay mo ang gibasa diri is it is created by all the people in the school. Kumbaga ang nara sa nagmugna sa eskwelahan mao'y nagdumana ana. So maora to. Thank you.